Oh my gosh, we're never gonna see our car again.
Say.
It says Knob Hills Trail open. Can you not look at the map?
Wait, tell like a telescope.
No, I think it's a bike lock station or bike repair station. I don't know. We'll walk for an hour and then head back.
Condition 1, no motorcycles.
That's right. Don't you want to come be out here hiking with Dad and Mom?
No.
On New Year's Day?
No.
Why not?
Cause.
We did too have breakfast.
What was it?
We had pancakes, remember?
Oh, yes.
Pancakes. Thank you.
That was stairs. Yes, it
No, look, stairs. You ready for the new year?
Yep.
What are your plans? Anything? No plans?
Lots planned.
Oh, that was interesting.
What do you want me to tell you?
I don't know. What are you doing, Bubs?
Nothing. Buddy and Henry.
You got Buddy and Henley?
What's planned for you?
I don't know.
Really? That was interesting.
Wasn't it?
Couch.
Poop on the couch?
Awesome.
There. You want me to poop on the couch?
Yes.
That's so gross. I'm not cleaning that up.
You clean poop off the couch?
No.
Yes, I
You have to be so close all the time.
No, I'm in front. Are you in a better mood now?
A little.
No, don't cut the trail. Get over here. You have to hike the real trail. That's not a shortcut. That's cheating. I'm gonna tell Papa what you did. That's what you get. You trip. Yeah, when Papa finds out you cut the trail, he's gonna be
MAD.
MAD. Well, he'll probably give you a talking to. Don't you cut that trail, young lady.
Fire around a tree.
They must have put that tire there a couple of years ago. Just check out the water.
Don't tumble down the hill, Grayson.
Yeah, don't tumble down the hill, Grayson.
No, we turn. Oh, no. And muddy.
You're good.
It's muddy right there, too. I'm freaking dirty.
That was.
La la la.
Well, yesterday was peaceful, but it was more of a reflective hike.
You went backpacking, not hiking.
Well, half a dozen, one the other.
What the what?
Exactly. Yeah, bring the fishing poles. Good little spot. Piece of foam. That's a puzzle foam thing for like a floor. Big puppies.
You need it kissed?
Daddy, Grayson wants to do what?
Oh, buddy.
So we can have some of that water.
Revenge.
Why?
Because Fred's getting revenge. Them sandals?
Probably not.
Well, hang on. Let me frame this up so I can get you falling. Alright, go ahead.
You're really...
Hey,
What?
who was it? Ray Roberts.
Oh yeah, it wasn't Ray Roberts.
Mom's leaving us. Get over here. Oh, come on. Walk on the trail. Oh. Push your butt up. Come on. We just lost the water bottle. Good catch. Well, that is not very safe looking. Don't stand under it. I told you I was going to catch you falling.
There you go, thanks.
Seriously, it's like hanging on by a thread.
It's 2 trees.
It's one tree. This over
Then
here.
how is it planted in there?
It's not. It fell over.
My toes hurt.
gosh. There's a hole.
Help me.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're our only hope.
Ow! Your rats are on the ground.
Ow.
You need help? Okay.
Ow.
Last one.
Ow.
Grayson, don't go down it.
Not him. Daddy made me hit it over the ground.
You tooting in my face?
Mm-hmm.
It's not very gentlemanly. Go, go, go. Who is it?
Right there.
Ow.
When I scrape my knee right there. On a
Hey, we're not going that way, buddy. We're going this way. There you go.
I'm gonna drop it. So we're at some place. I have no clue where we're at, but stop!
What you got going on?
I'm bleeding.
Oh, cool, dude.
Stop!
What
Scared
Get
you,
you going to
Zoe?
about up to 5, huh?
What scared you? What?
What?
What scared you? Yeah.
It's all dried up.
It said the wrong way, but we can't go that way.
Well, we just have to deal with it.
I don't want to carry all that. I didn't bring it.
You not the camel?
No. Or the donkey. Nice.
You can be a donkey sometimes.
Mommy is a donkey. Mommy carries me
You're
sometimes.
stubborn as one, too.
Mommy carries me sometimes. Ow! Stop it, walk! Stop! My feet hurt.
Your feet hurt.
Yeah.
Sweat running down your crack?
I got sweat running down my butt crack.
Don't fall in.
Go in the hole.
I mean, that's basically what Dad said, right?
You missed the puppy running, Bubba.
God, there's gonna be something in that hole.
No?
Yes, it's a home.
Leaves covered it.
I got you good.
Dad, that's scary!
Oh, Bubba. Hey. I told you not to play in it, didn't I?
Around the corner.
Cutting the trail, guys. Cutting the trail. They put the logs in there for a reason so you don't cut the trail.
The last time you did that, you fell and got hurt.
So don't do it.
No,
Go.
I didn't.
Zoe Grace, walk the trail.
I'm tired.
Here and build a home.
What? Sorry, when
Make
I
sure
fell,
it's-
I just-
Make sure it's 2 stories so Dad can come and visit, okay?
It was better.
You fall down and go boom boom? What'd you do now?
You see this on my butt. Ow.
You fell down and bumped your boo boo again?
No. I won't hit my knee.
Oh, sweetie.
Better start walking so that bug don't get you. I said walk.
Oh, you can get the picture for once? Looking at my behind all the time. Look at your behind.
I like looking at your behind.
Never stop in the middle of a hill, son.
Ooh, you let Mom pass you. Alright, there you go. I got you. Down the chute and go up the ladder.
Yep.
Hold on. And I took a bath in it. Now look at my mini lightsabers.
Your mini lightsabers?
Mhm.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, look.
Doing good, Zoe.
Look.
Doing good, Zoe.
My lightsaber broke. Here's my lightsaber. Look at that view.
Look at that view. Yeah.
My toes hurt.
Can you save that?
Yeah, it's going straight to YouTube.
It's awesome.
No, it's not.
And your
it
wedding.
is. You don't see it?
Oh, well, turn it on. I still don't see it.
The car's right there.
No, I don't see it.
Yeah, right there. Don't you see it?
No,
It's just around the.
A snake is gonna eat his face off.
Is that what he snakes, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
To eat
That would be his face and his whole body.
I'll stay with you.
Yeah, you stay with me. He's always being mean.
And walk away. Hi.
Here, do it like this. Hey, Mom, how many miles did we go?
100.
3.14.
What?
We did pie today. Did y'all have fun?
Poo-poo.
Poo-poo.
Sort of, but no.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year, guys.